Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got Trooper Byrd in pursuit of a Dodge Charger RT. When are y'all gonna learn to not run from Trooper Byrd? Like, bro, you're an absolute clown. Why would you even do such a thing? Like, bro, he's hunting. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. If y'all don't know, if the cop catch the bad guy, in this case, we know what Trooper Byrd gonna do, but let's see. He takes some L's. But if the cop catch the bad guy, I'm gonna clap it up for him, and I'm gonna eat a donut. You see, I got a box right here, so we gonna get that popping immediately. And the cop turns around, wrong way on the freeway. What the Because that other Charger did the same move. When are y'all boys gonna learn? Don't run. Okay, I can see the Charger up there running pretty fast. But them 5.7s are slow, bro. Like, I really hope Dodge drops a new V8 in the new Chargers. I mean, a Hemi would be cool, like, but really, we need a rebuilt Hemi, bro. They're dog slow. The 0 to 60, like, I was walking and I seen the SRT 8300 with the 6.1 Hemi. And this guy was in the comments like, bro, the 0 to 60 is like 6 seconds, bro. That thing's so freaking slow. I believe him too. I mean, it sound good. It sound like a freaking vacuum cleaner, but he almost hit that E-Class. If y'all can get the video to 5 likes, y'all, I would much appreciate that, man. Smash the subscribe button if you're trying to join the Liftoff mob. All you gotta do is press the subscribe button for free, and bang, you in the Liftoff mob, man. We in there like swimwear. So at some point, he shook Trooper Byrd. Oh, he not playing. He got the model downish. You're cooked, bro.
46 Rock. You can clear the net. I've lost sight of it. Issue an OCA. Notify LRPD.
Best thing to do is probably park that thing up, unscrew them plates off of there, and go to your mama house, bro, and duck your taco. So now they got another trooper. Just patrolling around the area. Y'all seen I changed my profile picture to the pink logo for breast cancer. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. If y'all live under a rock, I'm sure everybody has known somebody impacted by the. Oh, they got a meme too, yeah. Got him. Yep, there you go. He stick out too. He was sticking out too. So now they're gonna use the same slow ad 5.7. Try to catch that 5.7. Is he gonna pull over? Bro, commit to the chase. He got some pipes on his charger. How did they get dash cam footage from that camera? You peeped that? Oh, he got an ex-cop car.
Your hands. Give me your fucking hands. Quick, keep them up. Keep them up. Keep them up. Shut the fuck up and keep them up. Shut the fuck up.
All right, so they didn't piss the cop's ego off at this point. He really made him mad. I seen something in the comments. I wonder if it's relevant. So he's putting the guy at gunpoint. What car is this that they got body cam? I mean, you know what I mean? Dash cam footage from. It's that Camry. I know it. Why the fuck is he pulling his hair? And doing all that extra shit. Look at this nigga. Trying to choke him and shit. I get it, he resisting, but like,
See the phone.
No, that ain't AJ.
Make sure.
That ain't AJ.
Damn. He ain't going. Don't leave there. Don't leave.
they got mad angles of this whole altercation here. Bro, it ain't nothing funny about this.
He really fighting, y'all. He really fighting. Y'all better not want to go. Y'all better stop doing that shit. Oh, he's fighting. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go.
Bitch, fuck you.
He really fighting. Oh, he fighting. He fighting like a mother.
They trying to squeeze him in that boy.
They got him.
Look at him, how they pulling his hair and shit. I understand, bro. Like, don't run from the police, but like, damn, he kicking the shit out that camera.
Fucking hate white people, man. Fucking kill me now. Hurry up and kill me. I'm already ready to die. I don't care about my life, man. Do it.
Oh, he got his foot on the rifle and shit. Bro, what is he trying to do?
I couldn't hear you, yeah.
Like, bro, I know it sucks. Don't try to run from them in their car, you feel me? Them dodges is just for the cops, bro.
Look, I didn't tear shit else up. I should have broke some more stuff. Y'all got the money to go and replace it. You'll be alright. We'll be fixing it.
At least he got the leather seat back there. Did they take him back out the car again?
Let me double lock this. You can't run like that, right? Yeah, we'll get you transport and all that and go from there. So I'm gonna take him to the hospital, get him checked. Yeah. No, I'm gonna go to Baptist with him. He's good. I appreciate that. Thank you. I'll stay tied up. Thank you, sir. Have a seat. Willie Smith. Actually, we just got a deal. Yeah. I would just do a memo on it since we already got those here for the suit. Is that okay with you?
Bro, if he wanted to fade with the cops, he should have just...
That was really dumb, bro. Should have done that.
Is that Trooper Byrd talking to him? Y'all let me know in the comments, bro. I got 2 donuts. I got more upstairs. Let's see how long I can hang, man. Man, oh man. Y'all gotta smash the like button for this one. This was a crazy pursuit. And like just the way they went about getting this guy in custody was just kind of questionable, but I mean the way he took off on him was kind of questionable. So desperate measures need desperate solutions. They pulling this guy dreads to get him in a freaking patrol car. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all think that was messed up too. I think it was pretty messed up. Let's call it apple, bro. That was messed up. They did not have to yank his hair, bro. But, you know, if y'all watch football at all, like NFL, they say, like, you can use the guy's dreads to tackle him. They say it's a part of the uniform. So, technically, you know what I mean? You could, in the NFL, and you get the tackle. You know what I mean? So, guys probably think twice about having them dreads hanging out the uniform and whatnot. But let's clap it up for ASP. Trooper Byrd didn't get him. He got swerved off on. But it's okay, man. Y'all did it all for this. It's all for the donut. This one kind of feeling hard. I let it sit for a few days. I'm going to still bite it just for the cops. It's still good.
Shut your fat ass up.
Anyways, if you want to join the Liftoff mob, smash the subscribe button. Let's get this video to 5 likes. Please. Let me know down in the comments what y'all thought about this chase. It is JTSpeeds. And I am out. Peace. Statement. No, I won't. I seen her out, man, let's spin around. Yeah. Spin a block, man, I'm get down. Get down. She said chill, it's the 10th round. 10th round. I said no, you can't quit now. Bitch now.